In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called graphing a line given its equation in slope-intercept form, fractional slope. So this problem is giving us an equation of a line, and it's asking us to draw that line in this graph space. I'm going to rewrite the equation of my line over here, y equals negative 1/3 x plus 3. This equation of the line is in the y equals mx plus b form. In this format, the b term, which for my equation is plus 3, this is the y-intercept. This is the place where the line crosses the y-axis. The y-axis is this one right here. This is our x-axis. And I know, because of the plus 3 term in this position of my equation, I know that my line crosses the y-axis at positive 3, because I've got a plus 3 here. And so I know that that is one of the points of my line right there. To get the other point of my line, what I'm going to do is use the slope of my line. So in this equation, the y equals mx plus b format, m represents the slope of the line, which is the rise over the run. That's kind of the trick that we use to remember that, where rise is referring to the positioning either going up or going down on the y-axis, and the run is referring to the movement along the x-axis, either to the right or to the left. So my slope, my rise over run, is negative 1/3. So that means the slope of my line is such that every time I go one space down on the y-axis, I'm also going to go 3 spaces to the right on the x-axis. How do I know down versus up versus right versus left? Negative is referring to going down the y-axis. If this was a positive, I'd be going up the y-axis. A positive means I'm moving to the right on the x-axis. A negative would mean that I'm moving to the left on the x-axis. It corresponds to the signs of the numbers on the x and y. So to find my second data point, or to find any second data point of this line, what I'm going to do is use the slope. I know that if I'm starting right here, my slope is such that if I move down one space down, let's get this over, on the y-axis, I'm also going to be moving 3 spaces to the right on the x-axis. And that's this position right here. So that is my second data point. Now, to actually draw this line on ALEKS, I'm going to be using this line drawing tool. I'm going to select it. And then this tool allows me to drop 2 points on the graph. So I'm going to click on this tool, and then I will click on this spot, and I will click on this spot next, and ALEKS is going to automatically draw a line, a straight line, between those 2 points for me.